Good morning. It was choppy the morning this morning. Um, as you can see, we were chopping pre-market, and we were chopping in the on the 5 minute charts, 15-minute chart, and the 1 minute chart. So it was not going to be a great opening. Uh, I took three trades. Probably in hindsight, should have only taken one of them. Looking at it now, but you're making decisions in a hurry, and there is you can look at trading the open a couple of different ways. One is it volatile? Yes, it can be volatile. But is it easier to trade a market that's moving a lot or a market that's not moving at all? I would say that one's about as hard as the other. The difference is a market that's not moving at all. If you're right, you're not going to make any money. Whereas if you're right on a market that's moving, you're going to make some money. So we opened and we pulled up. We started up, came back down. I shorted. Now, looking at the bar now, it's a little hard to see how this actually formed. It actually went up, pulled back down like it was going to go ahead and collapse on down. I got in, and then it pulled back up, and I got stopped out. Uh, on this next bar, I waited. The bar opened here. I waited until we pushed down here. Uh, we actually pushed down, went back up a little bit, came back down, and looked like it was going to collapse. And then it pushed back up. So I got stopped out right here. So I was down 20 points basically. Uh, we pushed over into the moving average, which was really looking at back. I didn't do a great job trading this, honestly. That's just the way it goes some days. But once we pushed back in here, I waited until we broke the body of this green candle here to go short. I got a full 20 points out of it, and with slippage, I ended up losing, I think, $31 on one contract today. Now, for those of you who've never traded much, and you end a day at a $31 loss, that's really a win. Okay, a loss is when you lose enough money that it matters. If you have a losing day where you lose a few dollars, that's the same thing as a win when you're a trader, because it means that tomorrow I don't have anything I have to make up from today. Yesterday I didn't trade. I was having some laptop issues again. But you know, the deal here is not to dig a hole that you have to spend a week digging yourself out of. I got lucky today. I got back to even. I could have kept trading, and maybe I would have gotten profitable, or maybe I would have gotten down $400. So, being that this was choppy before the open, it was choppy at the open, and if you look, it really continued to chop. There's a little bit of movement here, but these types of days will absolutely eat you alive, and they're pretty easy to see. You know that is going to be this way based on what it does pre-market. So we'll give it another shot tomorrow. Hopefully, we'll get a little cleaner open with a little bit of cleaner moves, and see if we can't make some money tomorrow.